not going to be doing this anymore, Terrence.
We're not, of course, but now that I have you, we really should talk.
Why don't we make ourselves comfortable? Begin with a drink and you can tell me all about your plans.
Very good idea. Yes, thank you. I thought I might get out of here for a bit tonight.
Well, I'm not sure that's a very good idea.
Not that I'd stray too far. I mean, it's good to stick close to home, of course.
And what would you plan on doing exactly?
I thought maybe I could grab a cab and go down to the old watering hole for a drink, meet up with the boys, you know?
I'm afraid I'm not convinced you've thought this through, Terrence.
I never said I'd thought it through. I'd only said I thought I might.
Yes, well, it's certainly something worth considering then, anyways. But I really don't see this happening. It has been months, of course, or even years now, if not longer. What on earth do you plan to take away from such a venture out?
It's definitely hard to say how long it's been. I agree. That's very true. But what harm could there be in grabbing a drink with the old boys? You know, shoot a game of pool, plug the jukebox, buy a round of drinks for the old boys. Like the way it used to be. Boy, did they know how to celebrate. I can imagine the expression on the faces of all my old pals. Old Terrence, there he is, what a goon! Which they always love to say to me, you know, get me all riled up. We could really tease each other like that, you know? That's how old friends are.
Yes, I suppose that is how old friends are.
See? Thank you. I mean, thank you. I'm not saying I'm going to. I'm not saying I'm going at all, that's for sure. But boy, would I surprise them good if I did.